What made this teenage couple think they could steal from Walmart and make it far?
Stop! Stop now! Put your hands behind your back. Do it. Get over here. Hang on to her. Yep. Put your hands behind your back. Take the backpack off. Don't turn around on me. What are you doing?
Being stupid.
You know what? If you guys wouldn't have ran, you would have made yourself a lot easier. And now you guys will get worse.
I love you, babe.
Bag.
I got it. Where's the other one?
What did you dump in here?
I ain't doing nothing. They're just my hat and my sunglasses.
Grab his ID in the middle there. Be good on you. Yeah? Oh, switchblade. That's good. No?
Hold on.
I think you're 16.
You told that love. Yeah. It says 22. I got this. Love you, babe. I kiss my girlfriend real quick?
Nope. You're walking back into the store.
Do you have an ID, hon?
It's probably you.
Okay.
It's in the car.
Okay. Back up a second. We're in the car.
Walk in the store?
Yep, back in the store. Hey, turn off my truck.
I love you, babe.
Wait, who?
My boyfriend.
I have no idea.
Does it look like this?
Yeah.
No. He doesn't have that. Okay. You gonna walk her back, or are you driving her back? What are you doing?
I'll drive her back. Do your favor, park his car here. Switch that one and give me that. I'll take it in there.
Here, I'll call, or you can have this. I'll call these in.
And then move stuff.
Yeah.
Take this one out, Mom.
Okay.
You got it?
Two as well.
Turn around. Take a seat on the bench.
Let the next step outside.
That's all her. Yeah. She called it. Hey.
That's hilarious. I love it.
Oh, Michael. What are we doing here, kid? I got a better idea. Watch this. Okay.
I'll put her back in my car. We'll take her back there. And... Do you have her ID, right?
I got them both.
All right.
You should have seen me on the side of the thing. They started running. I'm like, I knew he was around. He's not like one of those guys. Either way, they're outside. So it's like, what the store? What'd you say? Have you been in this store before? Yeah. Yeah, as I told you.
You been arrested for retail theft?
You ever been arrested before? For retail theft? No? Are you sure? Alright, because we're gonna run you anyway. Are you over 18? Alright. Alright, what's on him? Just stand here for 1 second.
Go ahead, take a seat.
Yeah, two separate, if you would. And a cop has both IDs. She says she's been arrested, but never for retail. We'll find it out. Oh, there he is.
Hello.
Called it.
I did. I called in both of the files. Huh?
Did you run the CQHs?
No. Forgot to do that. Damn.
I don't know. You know.
Yeah, I did. So what did I got?
Closed.
No, I mean, is this a retail, an underringing?
Two double retails.
Okay.
They paid for one item. Maybe it was dog food.
Yeah, they went around the store and they started bagging and head out. Yep.
You know, I still have not grabbed an LO book. I still have not grabbed an LO book.
Hello, look.
Man, I think I...
Don't mix them.
I think
I never listened to the last
It's like the fourth time that he's been reminded of that.
Yeah, because
You know what? If you do, go ahead, because that'll make mine.
the last time I did it, and then Nico came and did it. I'm like,
I believe the last time I gave you an LO to put in your car.
I can't find that.
I'll UPC it.
And you know who else can have an LO book? It was Twan. Twan had the stickers, the LO book. I'm like, Twan. Come on, Twan.
He's better than that. Well, right now, because you guys don't have any type of larceny, burglary, robbery, we're going to give you what we call local ordinance citation, because we're hoping that this will help you guys make better decisions. So basically a speeding ticket. Okay?
All right, Capo.
Hold on a second. I can't do two things at once. I'm old.
You can't do a one thing.
That's true. Do you got my number? Can I ask you guys a question? What are you doing? You don't look like bad people. What's this all about?
Stupid.
Well, you were here once before and you didn't get caught. You got caught today. And like I said, I can't help but think that this isn't the first time. I believe you were probably at other stores. So what is the issue?
It's hard to find a job.
Joe, you don't really expect me to believe that, do you, in this day and age with all the people that are looking for help?
It is though. I've filled out like 200 applications. I'm going all around town.
Okay.
There'll be
Been
a lot.
in interviews. They just did not hit.
It's
Okay.
hard to work a job with bipolar and traumatic brain injury, PTSD, anxiety, a bunch of mental illnesses. So it's hard.
You're
So,
absolute. Joe, you're
I'm
right, it
telling
is.
Because I feel like I can't get anything.
Okay.
You know, not getting no interviews or jobs, nobody hiring me.
Okay.
I don't know what to do, so it's like the only thing I have left to do is just steal to get what I want. Because nobody wants to hire me, nobody wants to let me work with them.
Okay.
Everything, yeah. I don't need to do this, like, it's just because, like, I don't know, I can't find a way to get a job. I can't, you know, it's wrong. Of course I'm doing something. The Bible says it's wrong. I've been reading the Bible more and stuff recently.
Okay.
Yeah, it's terrible. Yeah, I know you're doing this wrong, but it's just, I explain it, yeah. That's all I can say.
Have you gotten help for your illnesses? Are you on medication?
Yeah, I'm on medication. I'm getting help. And
Okay, good.
go to
That's a good step.
a psychiatrist.
Okay. Have you filled out applications? Because you're in this, you're in this too.
No.
Okay. Well, maybe guys, in the future, let's make some better decisions, because sooner or later your chances are going to run out. Okay? What you did, stealing, was not a good idea, but probably the worst mistake you decided to do was run, because you guys could have gotten seriously hurt. Did you guys notice the cars in the parking lot when you were running? I guarantee you, you're not going to win against a car. Joe, you're not going to win against a car. And they don't have to be going fast to really hurt you. And if one of my partners got hurt chasing you, you would endure more charges. Guys, I get it that times are tough out there. I really do. I sympathize with you. I do. But stealing and then running from the police is probably not the solution.
Not your right, though, even though I got
Especially now with the
switch.
Terrible. Pocket knife, whatever. So why do you have it?
So I don't have it?
Yeah.
Joe, you have to understand.
For protection? From whom? You live in Oklahoma. I mean, come on now.
Plus, we don't know you guys. We wouldn't know that you had what you just said, PTSD and all that. If something happened and we found the knife, it could have been a bad day for everybody. And I get the fact that you use it for protection and to protect her. I get all that. It's just that you know what it's for. She knows what it's for. This is the first time we're ever meeting.
Yeah, you guys do this every day.
I'm just saying, when I pulled into the parking lot, I saw you running, and then I lost you between the cars with him chasing you. Unfortunately, you were the bad guy at that point.
Yeah.
I don't think you're a bad guy now because we've had a chance to sit down and talk a little bit. But at that moment, you were the bad guy. No offense, I didn't see you at all. It could be because my partner is a little bigger than you. So, but forget all about that. You guys could have been seriously hurt. For what? A couple dollars worth of stuff? I mean, you have a traumatic brain injury. Could you imagine if you got hit by a car and thrown just a foot and you landed on your head? If you just got hit and fell backwards and banged your head off the concrete or the blacktop, we might not be talking. So, again, guys, I get times are tough. I don't know exactly what you guys are going through, and I'm not going to say, oh, I know what you're going through, because I don't. But, you know, maybe better decisions in the future.
She's not in here no more.
Which one's her? Which one's him?
Guy.
Okay.
I got the guy.
And
So what's going to happen now is, like, you guys are going to receive a local ordinance citation. There'll be a court date, time, and place. I highly recommend that you show up. Walmart is going to trespass you from all Walmart property, including the parking lots. And make no mistake, guys, they have an internal system. So if you go to a different store and somehow you have contact with loss prevention, they'll find you in the computer. And then because you have been criminally trespassed from their property, they can call the police of that town and you could be arrested for criminal trespass to real property. Okay?
No Walmart or Sam's Clubs. If you guys are seen inside any of the property, even inside the parking lot, you guys will be automatically arrested. And I'm not gonna lie, I'm probably gonna end up having to make an investigation on you guys since you guys have been in here before. Empty bag, mix it up with a full bag, so.
Stand up. Walk over this way. What I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you sign underneath my signature here. You can take your ID back. Stand up.
we have a picture of the I already sent it to her. She's gonna send it to you guys in the email.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, Joe.
Your name
Man, why are you jumping in front of me like this, man? You're stealing my thunder.
He just told me to get ahead of the game.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a trespass. That's a trespass.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's his pen. There we go. Joe, come on over here. You're not admitting any guilt here. You're just saying that you acknowledge the citation and you'll show up. It's the same as hers, October 15th, 3 p.m. at 6701 South Archer Road in the courtroom. Walmart owns Sam's Club, or Sam's Club owns Walmart. So yeah, it's the same corporation. No, just Sam's Club and Walmart. So you got Target, you got Costco, JCPenney, CVS. You want to take a picture of this, Ash? Marcus, can I have your receipt, please?
Which one? His?
No, the receipt. Yeah. How many receipts? Yes. How many receipts do you have? Are you sending the footage in to the detectives? Look at you, Scooby-Doo.
Yes.
Wow. Okay, do you need anything else before we escort these fine, upstanding people out of here? Okay. You guys are good?
Yeah.
Okay. Guys, grab your bags. You guys are free to go. Okay? You might not believe this, but it was very nice to meet you guys. Okay? Please, make better decisions. Okay? You're too young to be going through this nonsense, okay?
Alright, I'm staying down. I still got that 1050 to do with me too. Is there a way I could transfer that 1050?
The couple was charged with theft.